Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be going over my free creative writing lessons, which will be located in Discord. So let's take a look at it. So here you can see, this is the main page. It's called Creative Writing Lessons. The description will have the link to my Discord in there if you guys want to join and take a look. So here it is. We just have the welcome page here. You click onto, this will be the social media stuff. So the social media stuff will be all of my links to everything: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, X, Facebook, and SoundCloud. I just started a SoundCloud, so you guys can watch my audio stories on there. It's not really lessons, it's more of my stories with either myself or my friends recording it. So as you can see right here on the side, I have a bunch of different channels you can click into. These categories here are story plot art, characters, storytelling Tuesday, my short film storytelling elements, literary devices, story arc. We have genre, my kids books if you want to support me, hire me, or see the merchandise, as well as writing exercises. And I have a new one I just started, which is writing prompts for adults and kids. Well, I do have collaborations here, so I am trying to work on making it where we have artists, editors, video editors, and screenwriters, and it'll continue growing. We'll probably have musicians and stuff like that on there for people who want to compose a score for someone's short film or anything like that. And last but not least, we have my awards. When you click into the awards, I haven't updated yet, but these are the three that I have currently. These are the two that won a film festival and one that was selected. And then I have private lessons, open lessons, and a watch party. Watch party is if you guys want to put your own film so we can watch it all together. We can do a little watch party, and we can maybe make it a little fun thing that our community can do together. Moving on to story plot arc. Story plot arc is one of the videos that kind of made my channel, besides of course what is a synopsis, but it got one of the most views, and so I turned it into a lesson, and it's a free lesson for you guys. So if we click into lesson 1, you'll see here story plot arc, and it kind of gives you a brief introduction of what a story plot arc is, and of course it takes you to my videos so you can get a better understanding of it. Moving on to lesson 2. Lesson 2 is exposition. Again, a quick little brief introduction, and then we have the video where you can watch it. I have a second video here where you can watch, and it also takes you to the free PDFs, which are all in the Discord anyways. And last but not least, here is the free PDF that you would get, and it's kind of like a homework. The first video will give you a homework assignment at the end, so you can hop right on in here. Lesson 3, inciting incident. Inciting incident comes on after exposition. So you can hop here, read it, and of course I have the PDF. Then we go to rising action, same thing. Then it goes to climax, PDF, falling action, PDF, and last but not least is a resolution with another PDF. And of course, here is the homework discussion. And this is pretty much every single one of these lessons into one. But I also have a new homework assignment here. And it's an entire complete story plot arc PDF for you guys to use. Again, each of these channels you can cop into. I update it as I can, which is at least a minimum once a week. I add more content. So we have characters, like character development. This ones are going to just have every video in here. It's not individually listed since they all help with the character development. Then again, we got Storytelling Tuesday. These are my stories. So like Batman versus Joker, I got part 1, part 2, part 3, and currently part 4 is being recorded, and part 5 is being written. It should be about 6 episodes. Story plot arc also continues my Star Wars series about Mace Windu. I have my own comic book characters, so I have a little short story here broken into 5 parts, or you can watch the last one, which is the entire 10-minute one. It says right here. Sci-fi, here's a couple of sci-fi stories here. I haven't added my thriller on here just yet. And of course, Pangea. This is like a 6-parter as well. The first one's here. The second one I am currently editing. All right, let's jump into my short films. If you guys want to hop into short films, I have my little storytelling apocalypse series. It's more of a broadcast of a soldier telling him that he needs help from the past. And so there's right now, there should be about 5. I currently only have 3 updated. I will be adding more to it. My comedy one, it's called You Poop, and it's about the evolution of people taking a dump. Meaningful ones, that is kind of serious topics as well, kind of like heartbreak, stuff like that. And then horror, which I do have one, which it's called The Mirror, and it's where this guy gets home, and a mirror, pretty much he sees himself as a bad guy, and the bad guy chokes him out, and then he realizes that it's just himself being possessed. Storytelling elements, we have character, plot, point of view, dialogue, setting, world building, scene, conflict, and resolution. And again, I will be adding more videos onto the storytelling elements as they are posted on my YouTube channel. And here are some literary devices like flashback. Again, I do have a worksheet for flashback, and I have a worksheet for foreshadow. I don't have any for onomatopoeia, only because those are kind of just like kapow, bam, like comic book looking style writing. Imagery, I have homework assignment at the end of the video, kind of saying, hey, describe this picture in with words. Parallelism, I'm working on it. Simile, I'm working alliteration and point of view. I'm working on trying to get some homework assignments done for it. So if you guys are liking what you're seeing, don't forget to join the Discord. Hit that follow and subscribe button so I can continue pumping out some amazing content for you guys. Keep updating the Discord channel. And if you ever want to support me in any way, you can hop down here and we have some donations, which are 2 links, the PayPal one, or you can go to Stream Elements. They both come straight to me. You can always check out my kids' books. I have 2 currently on there. Book 1 and Book 2. I'm getting the 3rd and 4th one done right now. The 3rd one's being edited, and the 4th one is being written. You can also hire me on Fiverr. You can find me there, and I can write you any story or work on whatever you need, edit, anything like that. Merchandise, Etsy. You can find some creative writing shirts, some fun little motivational shirts, stuff like that. I also have stories I can write for you on there as well. It's not as big as Fiverr, but you can also hire me there. Writing prompts, I did 2. So we have the adults, where you can hop in here and take a look at anything here. Just whatever one catches your eye, you can grab it. I try to update it as much as I can. Then you have the boys, dinosaur superheroes right now. Girls is princess and mermaid. These are just pretty much generic ones. Pirate, astronaut, police officer, firefighter, bugs, animals. So you have the picture here, but you can also download the free PDFs. Again, everything has PDFs in here. And I am working on a competition that if you guys will join the Discord, hop in the competition, there will be another little bar underneath competition where you upload your story. People can vote. Whoever has the most hearts will win the $50 gift card. And I will also read your story aloud, hire some voice actors to get it going for the winner. And again, you go vote for everyone else, not yourself, of course. And, let's be fair. Let's have a great time making this writing prompt competition be successful. So again, if you are enjoying this, please don't forget to join the Discord, hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you.